We're entering the south parking garage in Mount Lebanon. We got a pair of interesting elevators. This is a mod. This is a new install. I believe it used to be a Westinghouse. And we got the new mod, new install. Right here it is. These are ThyssenKrupp. Found the one. ThyssenKrupp, actually. Here we go. Traction. This is a TAC50 controller, so they don't have date codes on ThyssenKrupp. ThyssenKrupp doesn't have date codes on there. Alright, here we go. These are fast. Pretty fast. We're gonna set one down and then get the Westie.
Okay.
There's your cab. There that goes. Next we'll get the Westie. And we got the Westie. One. Yep, this definitely used to be a Westinghouse. Your cab view. Pretty nice elevator. I would prefer if this was original Westie. Your fixtures, impulse, hands-free 8-code phone.
Okay.
That's where it probably said Westinghouse on there at one point. Lumped it down on the first floor. And down here. Yep, it said Westinghouse down here at one point. Watch those sensors. There goes the end. That's it.